Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this NOKIA. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear next to three dots. Then click on voice typing and tap on this switcher in order to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. To start typing, tap on microphone icon. And if you never used it before, select while using the app. When you finished, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!